Welcome back to Color Vistas. If you've ever struggled with your sublimation designs shifting during the heat transfer process, you're not alone. Adhesive spray is a game changer for sublimation printing, helping you secure your designs without leaving marks or residue. In today's video, I'll guide you through knowledge you need to know about adhesive spray for sublimation, from why it's useful to how to use it effectively. Whether you're new to sublimation or looking to refine your technique, this guide will help you get flawless results every time. Let's get started. Adhesive spray is a temporary, heat-safe adhesive designed to hold your sublimation paper in place during the heat press process. Unlike heat-resistant tape, which can sometimes leave marks or cause uneven pressure, adhesive spray offers a smooth, seamless bond that keeps your design exactly where it should be. So, why should you use adhesive spray for sublimation? One of the most common issues in sublimation printing is shifting or ghosting, where the sublimation paper moves slightly during the heat transfer process. This can create blurry or double images that ruin your design. Adhesive spray eliminates this problem by holding the paper securely in place, ensuring clean and precise transfers. Another benefit of adhesive spray is its versatility. It's especially useful for sublimating on curved or irregular surfaces like mugs, tumblers, or ornaments, where tape may not provide consistent contact. It's also ideal for large or detailed designs where you want to avoid leaving tape marks or indentations. Let's talk about the types of adhesive sprays available. Most adhesive sprays for sublimation are temporary and heat-resistant, specifically formulated for use with high temperatures. Look for products labeled as repositionable or spray adhesives designed for fabrics and hard surfaces. Avoid using regular adhesives or craft sprays, as they may not withstand the heat and could leave residue on your substrate or heat press. To use adhesive spray for sublimation, start by preparing your materials. You'll need your sublimation paper with the printed design, your substrate, like a t-shirt, mug, or coaster, and the adhesive spray. Ensure the surface of your substrate is clean and free of dust, oils, or debris for the best results. Begin by lightly spraying the adhesive onto the back of your sublimation paper. Hold the can about 8 to 10 inches away and apply a thin, even layer. Avoid spraying too much, as excessive adhesive can create a sticky mess and affect the transfer quality. Let the adhesive sit for a few seconds to become tacky before positioning it on your substrate. Once the adhesive is tacky, align the sublimation paper carefully with your substrate. The adhesive spray allows you to reposition the paper if needed, so take your time to ensure it's placed correctly. Press down gently to secure the paper to the substrate, smoothing out any wrinkles or air bubbles for even contact. Now it's time for the heat transfer process. Set your heat press or mug press to the recommended temperature and time for your substrate, typically around 350 degrees to 400 degrees for 45 to 60 seconds. Place your substrate with the adhered sublimation paper into the press, ensuring even pressure across the entire surface. Cover it with a Teflon sheet or parchment paper to protect your heat press. After the transfer is complete, carefully remove the substrate from the heat press. It will be hot, so use heat-resistant gloves. Allow it to cool slightly before peeling off the sublimation paper. The adhesive spray should release cleanly, leaving no residue or marks on your design. Adhesive spray is particularly useful for specific projects. For example, when sublimating on t-shirts or fabrics, it prevents the paper from lifting or shifting during the press, ensuring sharp, vibrant designs. For curved surfaces like mugs or tumblers, it helps maintain even contact between the paper and the substrate, reducing the risk of ghosting or uneven transfers. It's also great for detailed designs or patterns with intricate elements, where tape might interfere with the print. While adhesive spray is a fantastic tool, there are a few tips to keep in mind for optimal results. First, always work in a well-ventilated area when using spray adhesive, as the fumes can be strong. If possible, use a mask to avoid inhaling the spray. Second, Store the adhesive spray in a cool, dry place to maintain its effectiveness. Extreme temperatures can affect the adhesive's performance over time. One of the most common mistakes when using adhesive spray is applying too much. A light, even layer is all you need to hold the sublimation paper in place. Overspraying can make the paper difficult to handle and may leave unwanted residue on your substrate. Practice using small amounts until you get a feel for how much is needed. Another tip is to test the adhesive spray on a scrap piece of substrate before starting your main project. This allows you to check for any potential residue or compatibility issues. Different brands and types of adhesive spray can vary slightly, so testing ensures you're using the right product for your project. If you're creating sublimation products for a business, adhesive spray can help improve your workflow and product quality. By preventing mistakes like ghosting or misalignment, you can produce consistent, professional results that your customers will love. It also saves time, as you won't need to redo projects due to shifting or uneven transfers. For those who prefer alternatives, heat-resistant tape and shrink wrap are other options for securing sublimation paper. Each method has its advantages, but adhesive spray stands out for its ability to provide a seamless bond without leaving marks or requiring additional tools. And there you have it, a complete guide to using adhesive spray for sublimation. This simple yet effective tool can make a big difference in the quality of your sublimation projects, helping you achieve clean, precise designs every time. Whether you're working on mugs, t-shirts, or other items, adhesive spray is a must-have in your sublimation toolkit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation supplies where applicable. Visit my website for more tips, guides, and creative inspiration. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite sublimation tips in the comments. See you in the next video.